Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you see the 50 here. You see the 9-day and the 20-day have really come together. We talked yesterday. Let's just go to the hourly chart. We talked yesterday about this chunk of price, which is much closer than it was yesterday. You've got weekly pivot, the 9-day, and the 20-day, all in and around 44 to 46. So this is your ultimate kind of bull bear line. The one line that should be on this chart, but it's not, give me a second. There it is the monthly pivot. Monthly pivot has acted as support throughout Globex. The interesting part to me will be whether or not they can convert that today, or whether we are just going to be in a range between weekly pivot and monthly pivot, which is what it was starting to look like yesterday into the close, and we've stayed inside that little box ever since. It's been a pretty dead Globex. It was a nice day yesterday. The Bears did a couple of impressive things. They tried to take it up here off of the open. They traded as high as 46.52. They dumped it right back down. They took it through everything, through monthly pivot, through the pre-FOMC price, as low as 45.96 quarter, and it's a situation where, again, they continue to not be able to hold price, effectively. So speaking of the pre-FOMC price, we get a new pre-FOMC price today. You got the Fed meeting at 2 o'clock. You got Powell's press conference at 2:30. So I think a lot of this flatness and just kind of staying in this small area is, we're just going to chop around a little bit and wait for the Fed at 2. And we'll see, what that wants to do. So I will be interested after we get after we hear from the Fed, after we have the press conference, and after we close today, where relative to weekly pivot, monthly pivot, and all of this price here, where do we close, and how does that play into Thursday and Friday? And each side wants opposite things. Bulls want to convert that whole box, get back up to where they were trading Monday, back into that 47.20 area to see if they can make some progress up towards the highs into the end of the week. Bears want to finish what they started, which is to take out yesterday's low, try to close below that low. Then they have to deal with the 50, and if they can do that, then, as I widen this out, they want to try to take it back towards that 44.92 area. So, and a whole heck of a lot of that is going to have to do with what happens at 2 o'clock today. All right. Right now, you got volume weighted average price 46.29. Our proprietary moving average is sitting at 27. Hourly mids at 26.5. We're trading 30.75 as I do this. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.